dog.
What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Got my boy Panda here. I hope you guys heard that. So the last video, I was recording some cars and I said something about me having a G37 in the backyard. It's this one. You guys might remember this car from like 2020. It's my old daily. My dad ended up keeping it, using it for a daily for a while, and recently it started leaking a little bit of gas. From
get to the fuel pressure regulator.
Yeah, something like that. So it started leaking gas. So obviously we stopped driving it. And long story short, my boy Panda here is going to help me fix it and get this thing back on the road, and then list it up for sale actually. So if anybody's interested in this G37, well, obviously by the end of this video, I'll record it, I'll clean, I'll tell you guys a little bit about the car, and if anybody's interested, it'll be for sale. But we're kind of on a time crunch, so I'm not sure how much I'll record, but let's go ahead and get this thing done. So this is the part that is leaking. Pretty much gotta swap the whole thing, swap the little, what's it, like a hose, I guess you could say. That was down to the bottom. Not too big of a deal. But this car is actually very strong, bro. I shit you not. I feel like when my Q50 was stock, like when it had just a muffler delete, just like this car does, I'm pretty sure this car, I don't know if it would have gapped it, but I'm sure it would have beat it. It just feels stronger than my Q50. I don't know why. We're about 10 minutes in. Fool's already taking a pee break in the back. In my backyard, motherfucker didn't want to go in to the restroom. There's no way. Who else pees like that, bro? Ain't no way. About 15 minutes later, we're all done. Not gonna lie, I thought we were gonna take a little longer than this. But we're gonna put on this cover on. Jump the car because the battery's super dead.
If this shit gets rotten out, it's not my fault.
Probably is. It's a tuner. Who's a tuner? Nobody.
Because it's not tuned. Because it's not tuned.
No, but seriously, we're gonna put this on, jump the car because like I said, the battery's super dead.
Jump the car with us too? What?
Let's just start kicking the shit out of it. Make sure it's not leaking, and we'll be good to go.
Alright, well, I'm not going to put the engine cover on then. That's it.
Alright. Let's see if it starts. Damn, I haven't been in this car in a while. Nope.
No, see?
Yes, I gotta charge. Yeah, they're charged a little more. Alright guys, it is now a couple of days from the last video you guys just saw. So I've actually been super busy the past couple of days that I haven't been able to continue to get this car back up and running. But today I got time.
Today I got time, cuz.
So what I'm going to be doing today is getting this thing started, getting this thing jumped by the truck. We couldn't get it to start with Panda's car for some reason. So we're going to try my dad's truck, get this thing started. Probably go to the car wash, clean this thing up, detail the inside, all that good stuff. I believe one tire over here is low. Yeah. So we're going to put air in that tire. Make sure there's no leaks, even though we already primed the fuel pump and there was not any leaks whatsoever. We'll just check that once again. And yeah, this thing should look different at the end of the video, or at least a lot cleaner. Let's see if the Mama Weezy's got enough juice for this thing. Because Panda's Fusion sure didn't. I got two-stepping that shit for real. Nope, not yet. Damn, I'm about to blow that truck up. Let's try it one more time for funsies. I doubt it's charged up yet, but nah. Wait a little bit. That shit's super dead, bro. At least the radio works. My dad always insists in revving the other car that it'll help it start. I feel like it's kind of pointless, but you see. Yeah, I don't think this thing's gonna start today. Well, we're gonna have to continue this video probably tomorrow because I have to go to work right now. Otherwise, I just go buy a battery right now, but I'll probably just go buy one tomorrow or the next day. Yeah, this shit is not gonna start though. Alright guys, it is now the next day from the last clip you guys just saw. I was supposed to go buy a battery earlier, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of running a little short on time. So, for the sake of this video and for me to just be able to move the car, go wash it, take pictures for the listing and whatnot, I'm gonna take off the battery off the Q50, put it on there, like I said, take it out, of where it's at. Wash it, takes a few pictures of it. Wash it, take some pictures of it, and like I said, post it up for sale. I feel like I just said everything I just said twice. If I did, I'm sorry. But anyways, just like that, battery's off. And we're good to put it on the G. Oh yeah, look. So for some reason my dog loves to grab my socks. I went to a doctor's appointment earlier. I was sitting in the lobby. I looked down at my freaking feet, bro. Man, don't let your dogs grab your socks, bro. That shit was so embarrassing. Battery's on. Now this thing should start up. No issues. There it is. Sick ass food. Put all this stuff back together real quick and take it for a wash. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Oh my god. This thing has no gas. I gotta go pump gas ASAP. Damn, bro, I haven't driven this car in so long. Before we go wash it and fuel it up, I need to add some air to this thing. Alright guys, and we're off. Look how dirty that windshield is, bro. Despite how dirty this car is right now, it runs super smooth. Call me crazy, bro, but I think this car drives better than my Q50. I don't know why. I've always felt it. Ever since I bought the car, at the time that I bought the Q50, I also drive this here and there. I kind of liked this car better at one point. I still kind of do. Don't get me wrong, the Q50 is obviously nicer. More luxury. The body is nicer, but I don't know, this car's pretty sick. And I know for a fact this thing stock would have gapped my Q50. Like when I just had a muffler delay on the Q, I really wanted to race both of those cars, but I just never did. But I'm pretty sure this thing would have beat it. I'm like 80% sure, bro. I think this thing is lighter too. Alright then. Bro, this thing is so filthy, bro. Yeah, this car has so much potential. It makes me want to keep it. But for what? I'm not gonna have 3 VQs, bro. There's no point. So yeah, once we clean this thing up today, I'll definitely post it up for sale. And if any of you guys are interested, I mean, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. This car is gonna look like a different car at the end of this video. Let's see what good old $20.91 got me. Not bad, I guess, for being completely empty. Yeah, I don't mind that light. I think I didn't put enough air in one of the tires. Yeah, that's one thing about this car. It has no lights on the dash. Oh, look at that Evo 8 or 9. Evo 9, I think. I still need one of those cars before I die. But now that we got some gas, I can show you guys a little pull in this thing. Like I said, I feel like this car pulls pretty hard in comparison to my Q. Well, not anymore. Now the Q's 285. Obviously, it's a whole different monster, I guess you could say. But yeah, I should definitely feel a little 4-year-old hit. Turn off traction control. Put the windows up since it's super windy. I'm so used to the paddles up here, bro. It's so funny. Try one more. That was kind of sloppy. There you go. Yeah, that one pulled pretty nice. Damn, I don't know if it's because it's a little windy, but this thing is empty. ¿Sí quema or no quema? Open diff, boys. Take a good look at this before. You guys want to see something so satisfying? Alright guys, just like that, the car is all cleaned up. This is not a TikTok shop video or like a sponsored part of the video or anything, but for those of you guys that wash your cars yourselves, get this thing off the TikTok shop, bro. I think it's called the Black Line Towel. I literally dried the car like in 2 minutes, bro. This thing is clutch. Like I said, I'm not sponsored or I'm not promoting it to make money. I'm literally just trying to put you guys on. This thing is so goated. Don't sound too bad for just a month for the lead, to be honest. But now that the exterior is all cleaned up, I'm gonna move it over there, vacuum it a little bit. This thing is pretty dirty on the inside too. Alright guys, fast forward, I came back home really quick because your boy got a piece of wood stuck under his hand. I had to come home because I didn't have anything to take it out with. I wasn't gonna use my mouth, my freaking hands were all dirty. Long story short, I was cleaning the back of the car and like I grabbed something and it stabbed me. It was like a big freaking piece of wood. It probably sound like a pussy, but that shit hurt, bro. So I had to come home and take it out with like some tweezers. But anyways, so the car's pretty much clean on the inside and the outside for the most part. Gonna go to the gas station right here by my house to take some pictures of it and post it up for sale. This thing honestly pulls, bro. Yeah, this car definitely has a lot of potential. I was even thinking about, before selling it, just tuning it just to sell the tune, but nah, I really don't have any need for this car anymore. There's nothing wrong with it. If I didn't have the Q, I would definitely keep it, because this is literally like the perfect daily. It's literally the Q, just older and a lot cheaper. Just hear the trans, bro. It's just like butter. I just like how this car drives better than my Q, bro. That's like one thing I instantly noticed when I bought the Q50. This trans just feels better. I don't know how to explain it. It just shifts smoother. So yeah, I feel like, honestly, it doesn't look better. It's not nicer, but I feel like it's a better car. It's kind of crazy for me to say that, but I mean, like I said, obviously, looks-wise and luxury-wise, the Q shits on this car. Obviously, it's newer, it's more expensive or whatever. But like the driving experience, I feel like this car is better. Before we go home, I do want to give a quick little walk around under the light, and I do want to apologize for the wind. The car's pretty clean. The only cons are the paint. As you can see on the hood. I was gonna wrap it just so it could look better, but I mean, So yeah, the only real con is just the paint. The motor, the trans are literally perfectly fine. The car is also on non-op, so that's another little thing, but obviously it will be priced accordingly. If you guys are interested, like I said, I'm thinking about starting like at 6,000 or best offer. The best offer, we'll take it, obviously. If you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram or even comment down below. We'll get a deal going. But before we leave, I do want to put air in all the tires, just so that stupid light could go away, and I can show you guys. It's just simply that I need freaking air. Jeez, little Q pulled up and a little SI. So the 20 roll.